Hi, this is CorsoMotion's custom fit LED bulb fits Victory Vision taillights. And this is the right side of the taillights, and this is the LED control modules. And you can choose the LED patterns with these dip switches. The module has the 4 wires coming out. The black is ground, white is parking light plus, red is brake plus, and yellow is turn signal plus. And this one has 14 channels of LED groups. Okay, let's take a look at the parking light first. I didn't turn on any parking light feature, just turning on and off. On and off. And let's set up the dip switch 1 on. Is parking light ceremony on. On and on. Okay, and secondary dip switch, second and third, you can choose the blink. Dip switch 3 on. Blink twice and keep turning on. Okay, another brake. This one is fade in and out. When you push the brake, turning on, and 1 second later, and then fade in and out. If you want the blinking feature and fade in and out feature together, you can turn on the second and third dip switch to on. Blink twice and then fade in and out. Okay, and let's take a look at the turn signal feature. The turn signal, you can control the pattern with 4th, 5th, and 6th dip switch. Okay, let's turn on the 6 on, which is 001. This is basic. And for the turn signal, you can adjust the speed with this speed adjustment dial. Okay, let's take a look at the 010. Next one. Last one. Yeah, this is the all the features of this board has. And then when you install these boards into the housing, you can carefully open this clear cover up. We use the heat gun to heat these silicone things, and then we took the clear parts up, and then you can put the wires first and then put the corner of the PCB into the top side of the tail light housing, and then it fits really well. And if you want to secure these things, you can use your own method, or you can solder some iron wires on these circle spots, and then you can melt the plastic with the iron wire with your soldering tip. That will hold these boards securely. And then after that, you can cover this up with your method, and then take care of the water is not going inside of the housing. And then that's it. Thank you very much.